Hi butterflies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademidun, a beauty stylist based in Nigeria. So today I want to make a 5 minute, should I call it 5 minutes? 5 minutes a tutorial that you can quickly style. Although I wanted to style this hair to church, so I decided to make a video around it, create content around it. So I've sectioned my hair into 3 now. Then I've already moisturized my hair a day before Sunday, like Saturday for against Sunday. So then I try to take the hair out, to comb it out a bit. Then from then I use my rope. This rope is something I make myself, and I believe I should give you a tutorial about it and you'll be able to make it yourself. So I try to puff it out. Just stay tuned and watch the tutorial and tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe. We are still growing this YouTube channel and we need to grow it more. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell someone to subscribe. And we are on 100 sub, and I'm so glad and I really appreciate you guys for supporting me. May God bless you guys, and God bless everything you lay your hands on. Thank you very much. Please, let's continue to grow this YouTube channel. Please, your girl really need it. Thank you so much. I flat twist the 2 hair section at the front, then I'm going to pack it together. So the next step, after packing up the hair in a puff, I use my edge control. I didn't really do too much of styling here, but I just want my front hair to look slick. That was why I used the edge control. Then after the edge control, I use the Sprit gel. The Sprit gel helps to hold it a bit, and it won't allow this edge control to bring out white flakes. So that is all. I used a scarf to tie the front hair and went to shower, and this is the final result. Thank you for taking your time to watch my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.